everybody, it's Sophia. Today I am back with
Emily.
and we are going to be making that is scented, actually. And
I get the berry.
She gets berry flirt. I get ball mango. So
This is Bale mango.
ball mango. B-A-O.
No, that's a Bali mango.
Bally mango.
That
Okay.
just sounds so weird.
And we are going to,
Yeah.
our ingredients are, if you want to make your scented, or you just
Really
need
the lotion, but ours is
lotion,
scented.
yeah, we have scented
And a
lotion.
fourth cup.
Dye,
Well,
Elmer's
actually,
school
no.
glue, any type of glue, shaving cream, borax that is dissolved all the way, and bowl and a teaspoon.
For the borax.
Yes, for
It's
the borax.
Not.
How you do it like that.
So you need a fourth cup of glue. This is just fluffy slime, so we have other videos, but.
Yes.
Do you have any utensils?
I'm not gonna have utensils.
Utensils are also spoons.
Getting you a spin. Okay.
Vincent Fur was playing in the background.
Yeah, so.
Sorry about that.
Can I use those?
It was fun to play with. Oh, I made a squishy.
Yes, we both made squishies.
This one's mine. This one's Sophia's.
They took a long time to make. They took exactly
We
20
made a
minutes.
video, but then it wouldn't let us upload. Oh.
Yeah, I'm still using it. Gosh, you need to be patient. So tell them the first step.
I already told them. Add a fourth cup of glue.
Add a fourth cup of glue. And it doesn't mean...
I have this memorized. Well, or you could just add as much glue as you want.
Yeah. But then if you do a gallon of glue, then you're going to need a gallon of shaving cream if you're making stretchy slime. I mean fluffy slime. I think that should be enough.
Yeah.
Then...
Oh, you need to shake this up.
Yeah, you need to shake up your shaving cream. Then you want to pour...
These are Crayola balls.
Yes, Crayola.
Crayola. Okay. Open our shaving cream. This one ends out on us. We have another one, right?
Yes.
Okay.
We have 3, actually.
That's so much.
Then, you just want, if you're using a spoon, you just want to mix it so it kind of spreads out in the whole
And
bowl.
I want mine really fluffy.
Then don't use it.
I said I want mine really fluffy. What? I want mine more fluffy. Add some more.
We are making
Fluffy.
We are making legitimate fluffy slime. And if we get this video to 10 likes, then I'm going to be adding all my slime together. Maybe Emily will add in some of hers. Maybe.
That's a no.
She's too weak to add in slime.
No, I like all my slimes. Actually, I might add one of my slime too. But they're my choice.
It'll probably make like a gallon. Okay, so ours looks like this really fluffy.
It just looks like shaving cream.
Yes, it just looks like shaving cream, but there's glue in there. This might not work because we added so much. So
Now I'm gonna add my berry.
then you want to add your lotion. Actually, I'm gonna add my color.
What the That's disgustingly colored.
Just mix it.
There's your mango.
I know.
Look, this is disgustingly colored. You can't even barely see it right there. It's
Mine's literally white.
It looks like really tan peanut butter.
Mine's
I
fine.
mean, really light.
At least it smells. I mean,
it doesn't make mine look bad. It looks disgusting.
grab a napkin.
Oh, it smells so good.
It smells so good, but it looks so disgusting. There we go. I'm going to add in my colors since mine is mango. I'm just going to add in like 3. I'm going to add in all the colors. I'm done.
You adding in every single color you have?
Actually, I don't think I should.
Just add in orange.
I don't have orange, so I'm just gonna.
Yellow and red.
No, I'm not 2-year-old.
There's nothing. So since mine is berry flirt, I'm adding in blue. Berries. I mean, it still could be red, but
Yeah, she's making her blue for berries. I'm making mine orange. So mine looks like that. You can make yours whatever color you want. You can. Oh my gosh! Look at that. That looks awesome. Oh yeah. Turn now into orange. I want it to be dark orange though.
mine is so pretty.
Because the way it smells, I mean, if it smells strong, I want it to be darker, so.
I still have the lotion on my skin. Oh, this smells so good. Look at how dark, not dark, look at how pretty that looks.
Show them. Here, this is what hers looks
And it's
like.
not even showing up the good color. That looks white on the camera.
Yeah. Spencer, can you answer that?
Can't be my thing.
Okay. So the first step is, if you weren't paying attention, maybe you're busy doing something else. You want to add an Elmer school glue. Then you want to add in the same amount of shaving cream if you're making yours fluffy. Then,
Who's at the door?
Then you want to add in lotion.
Spencer just laughed.
It's probably our dad testing out some lights. And then, so after you add any type of lotion, then you want to add, you want to add any type of color. We're using food coloring. Then you want to add some borax at the end.
Look, mine's gonna be. Oh, I added more blue.
So then borax. I think yours should be like really dark.
I don't want mine dark. I want mine light. I like mine the color it is.
I want mine dark. See,
guys, I might just transfer this to a bigger bowl. But I feel like it's not gonna fit.
No, it's gonna fit all right.
Okay, I'm on to mine.
I'm gonna add 1 drop of orange because I have a feeling I didn't add enough red.
Oh, and borax.
Oh my gosh. Is this, oh no, please don't. Is this gonna turn into red? No, please. Oh no, it's working. Look at that. Look at that. It's good.
I barely added any, so it's not here.
And now you want to add a tiny bit of borax at a time. So we're going to move out all this stuff. It's on Emily too. Then you want to add in.
It's definitely working. Look at this.
Then you want to add in a little bit of borax.
I usually add in a lot of.
I'm using a teaspoon for starters.
I am not. I'm just going with
Now
how
she's just going with flow.
going to.
And then you'll see that it starts to stick together. But then, yeah, if you poke it, it's yet still sticky. Then you want to probably wipe off your hand unless you're mixing with your hands.
Can you grab me when mine's like really in my hands? Can you grab me like 5?
I'm grabbing you 1. Crazy person shouldn't need 5. You don't need 5. Crazy person would need 5 napkins for getting your hands wet.
No, mine's really runny. So
We also made clear slime. We made a video on making clear slime. And I'm thinking.
But then it shut off, so then we didn't upload it.
Yeah.
Whatever.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of these balls into my clear slime if we get this video to 10 likes. So lots happening if we get 10 likes in this video. I am willing to mix all my slimes, which I have, I don't know, 16.
I like have more. I have like probably more than 16.
No, I've seen how many you have. You have like 5.
No, I make more. I've made more since you've been to my house.
There we go. So I've added in 3 teaspoons so far because you can always.
I bet you had more than 16.
Yeah, I probably do.
Because I have like 16.
Okay, I'm gonna start.
Yes.
Once you feel like it doesn't stick that much, but it sticks a little, you want to actually start playing with it. You'll see that it becomes less sticky, that it actually folds together with your hands. Mine's still a tad bit sticky since I use so much shaving cream. Oh my gosh. Yeah,
Mine's
that.
really like runny, but like it's good, but it's runny. Oh, guys, you can't see me. Okay.
Yeah, I moved the camera on you and you went away. You're like, nope.
I'm not gonna get in the camera, so. Some people, they don't like being on camera, so like,
Yeah,
even if they're the filmer,
they just show their hands or something.
And some people, like,
they keep their identity secret.
Yeah, we know somebody.
That keeps their identity secret.
Should we tell them? Or do we
No.
already know?
No.
Okay.
So we don't know if she will like that. And yes, it is a she. Because technically like this.
And she has been on this channel. And I'm not going to give any more information than that. So you could probably already guess who it is. But, wait, I need to, don't.
You can just tell me at the end of this video.
Yeah, I
You're
will.
being really picky right now.
Picky.
Picky, yeah.
How am I being picky?
Oh my gosh, I feel
I don't
like-
remember if somebody is able to share their name.
Yeah, so you just go with the flow. You don't tell any information.
This is like, I don't know why. I need more borax, but I can't pull.
Can't put any more in. Yeah, Emily's having problems with hers. Mine is so fluffy.
Could you please
Pour
some
in some
borax?
borax in.
Sophia!
What?
It's a pool at the bottom of my bowl now.
You're welcome. Okay, so I think my slime's done. Look at that.
Why does it always take me longer to do all this stuff?
Yeah, we made squishies and I finished about like 5 minutes before her.
That's because she finished and I was like still adding cotton balls.
Yeah.
Because we did different steps.
Yeah. There we go.
This is my slime.
So it's really stretchy, as you can see. But if yours didn't turn out
I think I'm finished.
I'm in love. Smell
I'm in
that.
love too. Feel mine. Smell mine.
Feel mine. Oh, it smells so good. So if you want yours to keep being stretchy, and if yours is scented with the lotion, then you're probably going to want to use the same lotion. That is, it's so fluffy. I love it.
I'm not gonna improve mine any sort.
I think I'm going to stop the video here, and we'll do a checkup. Bye, guys.